Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me this morning. We are here with let me just see if I can, oh there you go, Charles is there as well. I am back with one more round of Ask Me a Question before we go away to get married. I thought, you know what, let's do one more. So you all know how to play. Every day you get to ask me a question. The following day I will answer the question. Every day I will put some goodies into the prizes. We have 3 prizes. Oh my goodness me, we have 3 prizes at the moment. I might add more in as the week goes on, but at the moment I have 3 prizes to give away, and they are these packs of wide lace. Let me show you what you get. I've got one here to make up. So this is what you're going to get. It's about 30 inches wide by I do not know how many inches. Oh, let me just... So the lace itself is 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 inches width, about 5 inches that way, and it's about 30 inches I've given you here. So a lot of lovely delicious lace. And Charles, you're just being a do. Now you're showing off. You're showing off. You're showing off. You haven't been on camera, have you, for a couple of videos, and I think he's missed out, bless him. So I'm just folding this up, and I have made some bag toppers with my gorgeous bag topper dies. They come out just delicious. I love them. And then all you need is a bag, which I'm gonna grab one here. I'm gonna pop this lace in here. Oh, why can you never do it when you're on camera? Right. That's it. We've done that. Where is it? And then all we do is we just take the bag topper and no you don't eat it. And we're just going to use my Tim Holtz teeny tiny stapler, and I've done it. No. Right, oh my gosh, you are being a horror. Okay, so we have 3 of these to give away, and I will add more things as the week goes on. And you have caught your nail in my ring. Right, okay, so we've got 3 of these to give away. And where are you going now? Right, so all you have to do, ask a question. He is, do you know what? He is a little so-and-so. You are a monkey. You are a monkey. You really, really are. Do you know, he's been so cantankerous lately. So all you have to do is ask a question. Any question. If it's too not good, then I won't answer it. But no one has yet asked me a bad question. They have all been so much fun, and I'll be back tomorrow to answer the questions for you, and add more things to the pile. Are you a horror? You are a monkey. You're my little monkey though, aren't you? Yes, you are. Everyone loves it when Charlie gets up to his naughty tricks. He look, bite. You just have to bite, don't you? And he got really annoyed with me earlier because I was making something, finishing something off, and I needed the table to do my work because this is my workspace. But no, he had to be a pain, didn't you? And I've cleared all this space off over here. So I am working on a project at the moment. Because I'm going away for my honeymoon and wedding, last year when I went away, and the time before, I always take a journal with me, but I don't want anything too big. I have got, no, don't do that on camera. I have got quite a lot of journals, you know, bits and pieces, but they're quite big. And I've got a couple that obviously my subbies have made for me, but I don't want to use them because I don't want them to get ruined. I'm going to use them, but don't want to take them away in case I lose it or something. So I'm in the process of making myself a little journal. So what I've done is I've took a fabric scrap, which is this gorgeous, sumptuous, just feels delicious fabric, and I've took a piece of card which I believe is about 6.5 by hang on, it's 6.5 by I think 9, might be, yeah, I think it's 6.5 by 9. And what I'm going to do is I found this image which I love. It's kind of this melancholy woman, vintage lady who looks like she's dreaming about the love of her life. I might cut it down a bit. I'm going to actually sew it. I don't think I'm going to do it square. I think I'm going to do it off the page a little bit. So I think I'm going to sew that on there before I stick it down, and then I'm going to glue it to this and then sew all the way round. So that'll be my cover. So I think I might be doing some videos in the process of making this. I just want something to write in, so I don't really need too many pockets, maybe a couple of pockets inside, but I want to use some of my vintage papers, and I will show you what I'm going to use inside because it's quite cool, and I'll show you that later on today or tomorrow. So I will be showing you my process, if I get time to do it before I go away, how to make a very quick little journal to write in. So this is the first step. I just took some fabric and I have took this cover, but I'll go over it again in the actual tutorial. But I just wanted to tell you what is going on and what I've been doing. And it is 31 days today. It's a month today that we go. Not a month today that we get married, but a month today that we go. So I'm super excited. This giveaway is a little bit wedding themed with white lace and some other bits and pieces that I'm going to find to put in here. So hope you'll all take part, because this will be the last one that I'll be doing for a few weeks. So get involved and get yourself a some goodies. So take care for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye bye.